Hey guys, this is Ankit Vaughn and you're watching my YouTube channel. Okay, if you want to format your computer whether going to a software engineer or a hardware engineering shop, only you need three things: the ISO image and the pen drive and the PC.
A few minutes later.
So here guys, I will show you to convert the pen drive into a flash drive, and that's the important point. Back to the screen. So yes, I just connected my USB drive, and yes, this USB drive H is showing. Going to the my computer, the USB drive is right now empty. There is nothing in my USB drive. So yes, just open the refuse file. The link will be given in the description. Just open it, and yes, there the 16 GB of USB drive has been detected here. Just select the Ampere partition as BIOS or UEFI system, because if you have a BIOS system, then it would be work on BIOS, and if you have the UEFI system, then that will be work on UEFI. So select the both the system, then the file type will be same, NTFS, and the customized file will be same. Right side of the ISO image, click on the right side of the icon and find your ISO image file, which is Windows 10 is there, and just click it open. They are written as an ready, and just click on the start button. That will convert your ISO file in. Just wait a minute, wait. ISO file is converting. So after converting the ISO file, just you need to go in the BIOS system. If you have any doubt in the BIOS system, you can just comment me so that I can make another video on this BIOS system, how to configure the BIOS system. So just you need to go to the BIOS system and advanced option. There is you change the instruction drive to an USB flash drive, and after you restart your computer, click on the F8 button. That will run your flash drive into a computer PC. Some of the PCs, they are different type of the PCs that work like F2, and some of the PCs they work like F11. So try to find out the function key, whatever it has. The flash drive will be work and the interface will be changed, and after that you can easily install the Windows in your computer. So that was an easy process. So it is working till now. Let's do it. Okay, now you can see that the refuse is showing that the file is ready. Just close it, open my computer, and see that your pen drive is. If your pen drive is not showing, then just refresh the my computer page. Then you can see that has been appear right now. Just click it once and open the setup file. A notification will be clearly appear on your screen. Just agree with that. So this is Windows 10, that's why it's showing preparing. Some of the Windows it will not show, like Windows 8 and Windows 7. So if you guys get any idea how to install a USB drive from an ISO file, give a thumbs up to this video, like, share, subscribe my channel, so that I will be motivated myself and I make more videos for you.